What's up guys, welcome to my channel Tech Talks. So, today we will talk about the business model of WhatsApp. Everybody knows WhatsApp, the texting app that took world by storm and replaced SMS forever. But being a free app with 1.6 billion users, how does WhatsApp make money? And why did Facebook pay $17.9 billion to buy WhatsApp? The answer lies in the beautiful business model of WhatsApp. Though they never expected their tiny app to ever reach so many users, their initial planning helped them gain a ton of traction quickly. So, let's take a look into what is WhatsApp and its history. Jan Koum and Brian Acton launched WhatsApp in 2009. They had been employees of Yahoo and had taken some time off work. Both Jan and Brian expected nothing from this side project. But surprisingly, a whole bunch of people started using WhatsApp very soon after its launch. The application was extremely seamless transition from regular text SMS to multimedia messages. So many people began inviting their friends and family to join this platform. This viral effect got WhatsApp to over 400 million users by 2014. Jan and Brian had no plan on using ads in WhatsApp. They were firm in their belief that ads spoil the user experience. But Mark Zuckerberg had other plans. After all, $1.6 billion annual revenue would mean nothing to Facebook. With the disagreement on how WhatsApp would be monetized, Jan and Brian decided to quit their position and cash out their share in WhatsApp. So, how does WhatsApp make money? WhatsApp currently has two main revenue sources. Number 1, WhatsApp Business API subscription, and number 2, click to WhatsApp ad. There are potential future revenue sources in making, and WhatsApp has been planning ahead in identifying monetization method for WhatsApp user base of more than 2 billion monthly active users. Let's talk about WhatsApp Business API subscription. In August 2018, WhatsApp announced its first revenue generating product, WhatsApp for Business API. Since they launched their WhatsApp business application, they had been tinkering around to improve the app to suit business needs. In 2020, many banks started offering banking on WhatsApp, while quite a lot of big brands use WhatsApp to stay in touch with users and answer support queries using this messaging app. Businesses can even use WhatsApp Business API to send customized notifications with relevant and non-promotional content such as shipping confirmation, application reminder, and event tickets. Only a few businesses have access to the WhatsApp Business API. You can fill a form to apply for the API access. So, what is WhatsApp Business API? WhatsApp Business API is a self-hosted solution for enterprises to reach, connect, and respond to customers. It lets businesses automate many of their queries by responding to users with an automated chatbot that replies through the Business API. How does WhatsApp earn from their Business API? WhatsApp's Business API customers are charged per message sent. When a new business registers for the API, they have to follow a tiered approach to send messages in bulk. There are messaging tier limits, and each businesses start at the lowest tier. In the first tier, you can send 1K unique message every 24 hours. In the second, 10K unique message every 24 hours, and in the third tier, 100K unique message every 24 hours. The tier limits are upgraded as WhatsApp detects higher quality messages being sent out by businesses. And so, more messages businesses send, the more money WhatsApp makes. Now comes the second source of revenue, click to WhatsApp ads. Imagine browsing through your Facebook feed and seeing an ad of something cool. Wouldn't it be so convenient to directly get in touch with someone from the company? That is exactly what click to WhatsApp ad do. The benefit for businesses here is simple. Most people browsing Facebook will already have WhatsApp installed in their phone. It reduces the barrier to communicate, and because of that, businesses get direct phone number of the interested users. So, how can WhatsApp make money in future? The company is working on integrating WhatsApp payment worldwide and making it easy for WhatsApp business app users to receive payment from their customers without asking them to leave the chat screen. Somewhere around 2018 and 19, WhatsApp received permission to test WhatsApp Pay. It is still being tested in different countries. Though we don't know how soon WhatsApp Pay will be rolled out, they are already available in 2 countries. Have you ever thought how WhatsApp grew and what was their marketing strategy? How did WhatsApp gain the traction that it currently has? And can you replicate their marketing for your own business? WhatsApp was built with the end user in mind. every aspect of the application catered to a need that the user had. It's seamlessly integrated with the phone number, resembling regular text messages. It offers additional features like multimedia messaging, which would cost much higher via regular MMS. And this SMS replacement app compelled users to get more of their families and friends on board, which created a true viral effect. Replicating the success may not be possible by copying their strategy, but you surely can incorporate a shareable factor in your business to get users to promote you. We haven't covered the competitors of WhatsApp since there aren't any competitors that are as big. Apart from Snapchat and Telegram, which tried to beat WhatsApp, the text messaging app space has been owned by the company since it started out. So, there you are guys, hope you enjoyed. If you did, then drop a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed, click below and join us.